Climate Resolve was founded in 2010 with the sole purpose of making climate change feel more real and relevant and urgent for the people of Los Angeles. And at the time, if you recall, in 2010, climate change was viewed exclusively as something global, as only affecting people far away or sometime in the future. And so we saw a gap. And so we worked to make climate change relevant to the people of Los Angeles and tell a story about how this change in our atmospheric chemistry was affecting us right here in Los Angeles. So when it comes to wildfire or heat waves or flood or ocean acidification and rising sea levels, these impacts are actually being felt right here, right now in Southern California. We also recognize that the public needs to support big change in order for us to succeed in our fight against climate change. And you can't get people excited to act in the first place unless they feel that their efforts will lead to success, that it's worthwhile. So this is what animates Climate Resolve, to provide real change so that people can have some hope in the future. And now we're in our 10th year.
Social equity lies at the heart of all of Climate Resolve's activities.
Our work serves disadvantaged communities who are overwhelmingly the hardest hit by climate impacts, yet are the least responsible for its effects.
We work with residents, advocates, city planners, researchers, and policymakers so that communities that are historically under-resourced are ready for climate change.
COVID-19 has shown us the connection between socioeconomic disparity and public health.
We're all part of the fabric of Los Angeles. To become resilient, we need to build on what we have together.
In the same way that the coronavirus knows no boundaries, neither does our changing climate.
This change of chemistry in our atmosphere makes climate change a global concern, but we can address it at the local level.
Climate Resolve, we've been working hard to support active transit initiatives to ensure that Angelinos have a future that is less dependent on cars.
We fight to reduce the effects of extreme heat. Climate Resolve passed the City of LA's first ever cool roof ordinance, and now tens of thousands of cool roofs cover homes in LA.
We've championed cool pavement projects across the county, particularly in areas where heat projections are the most extreme.
Climate Resolve has served as the energy manager for a major California school district, helping them to reduce energy consumption and preparing them for the impacts of climate change.
We have won state legislation to make California a better, safer, and cooler place.
All to ensure a bright and healthy present and future for generations to come.